They don't run. They don't roar. They simply wait. Silent as an ambush, ancient as the rivers themselves, and lethal, like an invisible cut. Today, you'll witness some of the most ruthless moments in nature. 12 real attacks, no edits, no mercy. I'm the voice that reveals what most choose to ignore. And this is MindVault. One, the deadly crossing, gazelles versus crocodiles. Gazelles move in herds guided by ancient instinct, but when thirst leads them to the river, death is waiting. Beneath the surface, unmoving eyes, the first leap. The current trembles, some escape, others vanish. Every crossing has a price, and someone always pays. Two, strength isn't enough. Python devoured. The python is feared. It coils, squeezes, suffocates. But not every fight is won with pressure. Against a crocodile, it becomes nothing more than a strand of flesh. He chews slowly, as if savoring victory. Three, a fatal sip, the distracted impala. At the lake's edge, all seems calm, but for one impala, thirst becomes a sentence. With a sudden strike, a body is violently pulled in. The rest of the herd flees in panic. Here, seconds decide destinies. Four, not every king rules lion ambushed. They call the Lion King, but he holds no crown in the water. He approaches a carcass, unaware he's not alone. A giant crocodile emerges, fearless, unshaken. The king steps back. In this realm, the river rules. Five, the betrayed boar, double ambush. Chased by wild dogs, the boar was already losing. But trying to escape through the water, he meets something worse. A precise strike, a crushing bite. Even the land predators freeze in disbelief. The wild hides more traps than eyes. Six, reflections of death. Kangaroo pulled in dry, tired. The kangaroo steps toward the water, but the moment he touches it, he's dragged in mercilessly. In seconds, it's over. In the reflection, there was a grave. Seven, pack failure, wild dog. Taking a wild dog pack is strongest together, but one misstep can cost everything. One strays too close to the edge. And then, only splashes remain. Not every hunt ends in triumph. Eight, the reptile banquet, migrating wildebeest. Thousands cross, a display of life and of death. Each leap is a chance or a sentence. The crocodiles don't chase, they wait. 9. The devoured predator, cheetah, taken agile, precise. The cheetah hunts, but also drinks, and in a moment of distraction, a neck is grabbed, the water takes him, silence seals him. There is no ultimate predator. False armor, turtle crushed. A shell is meant to protect, but not all shields hold. The crocodile crushes it like paper, and the turtle becomes a memory. Eleventh, interrupted flight. Vulture caught, they feed on death, but sometimes they join it. A distracted vulture lands and is swallowed, feathers and all. The food chain shows no mercy. The final trap, zebra caught. Zebras run, but not in water. She leaps, fights, resists, but the jaws win. The crossing was never safe. You've just seen what many avoid, nature, unfiltered. No romance, just raw instinct. If this made you see things differently, drop a super like, comment, share. Show the world that truth like this still matters. And if you're ready to uncover more hidden layers of the wild, subscribe. The next video will go even deeper.